Hello guys, we are currently at Iditarod dog sled racing. This guy is locked in, very serious. But this race was 4 times in Fairbanks ever. It was in 2017, 2020, now in 25, and some earlier year. But this is a big deal. It's a lot of people around here. I just made it to the end of it. Now I'm walking all the way back to the start. This is all on the river in Alaska Fairbanks. There's 34 teams, and each team start every 2 minutes. I filmed a lot of starting where teams started, and they kind of walked all the way towards the end of it, filming teams as well. But it's coming to an end here. I'm gonna put a lot of clips of Iditarod itself in this video, so stay till the end of it. I filmed a lot for my Russian channel as well, but this was a lot of people here. So we're gonna start our journey today here in Fairbanks at the Carlson Center. This is where people park their car, and there was multiple shuttles, these buses which were going to the place of the dog race from 8 a.m. and they were filled up with people. But since I came pretty early, I got a chance and it was pretty empty. Here is me on the bus. I was talking in Russian here, so you guys wouldn't probably get it. But I was saying that it's very warm today, like -7 Celsius. The bus ride was really quick. They got us to the place right away in less than 20 minutes. But already at 9 a.m. people start showing up, and it was really packed. There was coordinators. Alright, so over here I found some good spot to have some breakfast, I would say. They didn't really have breakfast items, but this place was really good. I just showed there's airport over there. But prices were pretty expensive, not gonna lie. For the main meals, like steak was $42. But I got some nice appetizers. This soup was actually really good. Creamy, and the bread was unbelievable. The views was really nice. This is actually the river, and I was telling in Russian that it might melt soon, so the goal is not to go through the ice. So I was actually saying that I might go down that hill, because the kids were doing that, but no, not with my current status and not with my current ACL. Don't want to retear it again. I have to be extra cautious. But even here, like half an hour after I came to this thing, people just showing up more and more, and this place was getting packed. I'll be changing the spots during the race so I could like film from a different, almost fell here, film from a different perspectives, and I need to take up the good spot. Here we actually have a hotel which they made as a place where people can buy merchandise and just some souvenirs from Iditarod. I always mess this up, but I have this lucky duck and the prices were actually reasonable. We actually have all kinds of stuff here. Some t-shirts, Alaska, Iditarod, whatever you pronounce it. But yeah, it was good materials. I like this one a lot, just simplistic Alaska with a bear for $25. Такую на машину, да? Аляска. There was actually also a place where to have some breakfast. I didn't even know about it, and it was actually not that expensive. $12 for a buffet. Мерчендайз такой, мерчендайз.
Main thing we have to do right now is give a huge thank you to Jay Ramris and the folks here at Pike's Landing for hosting this event. This is the fourth time in history the race has come to Fairbanks, 2003, 2015, 2017, and now in 2025 we're back in Fairbanks. Excited to be here. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be an awesome morning.
Michigan and Wisconsin. Look at that. I think I see some dogs. I see some dogs. They're getting ready. Are you guys getting ready? The teacher on the trail this year happens to be Maggie Hamilton. So big shout out to her. Join the Iditarod Education Department in welcoming our 2025 Iditarod Teacher on the Trail, Maggie Hamilton, to the elite group of educators to earn this honor. After completing an involved and thorough application and the selection process as a finalist in Alaska prior to this year's race, Maggie accepted the year-long job. All finalists have an in-person interview, write daily website postings, attend and present at the EDU Winter Conference, the volunteer for the race, and many other tasks. She is the 26th Iditarod Teacher on the Trail, and she is from Mitchell, Indiana. She's a 5th grade teacher at the moment. All right, folks, bib number 1 was honorary musher Dr. Stu Nelson. Bib number 2 is in the chute, the first musher on the trail.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, there goes Matt down the chute.
And now we're going to get ready for
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good luck, Sydney. Headed for Nome.
And as I've said before, one team leaves and another team comes.
He was like really trying to stay there. But there's a bus at 8 p.m. going down. They were trying to like skip the bus and take the train down. He was pissed off.
Really? Just being a party.
Yeah.
Probably upset that he has to come back to Fairbanks. So what surprised me the most about this event is how big of an event it actually is. It had 34 teams from 5 continents. Like, it was 23 countries, I believe. 23 different countries: Spain, Italy, Finland, Czech, Russia, all kinds of countries. So it was pretty huge, and I think it was pretty cool to see. Да. So guys, the race is over right now. Everybody is trying to get to their cars. I'm currently standing in a line to get on the bus. A lot of people around me. There's a lot of people at this event. But this was Iditarod, whatever you pronounce it. I always get confused. This was Ruby Hockey. Press that like button, subscribe, put the bell like notification, and I'll see you next time. Bam.